Whoa.
Going in?
Yep.
All right. Can you get a whole cup?
So,
Fill it up good?
a whole cup is like a whole cup.
Really close.
A
Do you want me to help you fill it up?
No. A whole cup is this much?
A little more. May I scoop and you can dump?
I cannot use. So
heavy.
a half cup is what's in here. This
All
one
in there?
1 cup.
Good job.
This one
Yep, this one. Now I gotta get some eggs.
you put in here, and this one. Does it call for 1 egg?
Calls for 2 eggs.
Okay. I know this.
We'll do this one.
Are we still adding ingredients to you? Put them on the counter.
No, I didn't. It just cracked really good.
Why?
Because it did.
Is there some in there? Eggshell?
Nope, no eggshells in there. Alright. Now I gotta mix that up, okay? You wanna talk to him while it's mixing?
Yeah.
Okay.
All about making chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip banana bread.
All about and all about this project. I put a little water on it.
Yeah, we're supposed to have 4 bananas, but I only have 2. Daddy ate some of them, which is fine.
Why?
Because this will thaw out pretty quick. You want to mash those 2 bananas?
Yeah. You help me get this off.
Yeah.
And I will peel.
You'll peel it?
You peel it, Mommy.
You just said you would.
It's like good.
Yeah. You like it like
It's too messy.
so messy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little messy. That's okay.
Oh, there's a bad spot on this one.
That's okay. We're baking it. It doesn't matter.
I'm just take a clump.
Yeah.
Do you like clumps in yours?
We'll mash it so it won't be so clumpy. Oh.
Whoa.
You fix your chair, girl.
Now it's cold. Can you do
It was in the fridge.
Can you do the cold one, Mommy?
Sure.
Now it has a bad spot too.
Yeah, that's why we're making banana bread out of them. You want to mash those?
Yeah.
Mash away.
Smash. Look, it stopped.
It did stick to it.
I try to smash it.
Nice job.
Mommy, can you smash?
I'll smash too, yeah.
So, then we will do that. And next time we see you, we will talk about all of this. It'll be a great day to do this for Tina. And she's going to is like, roll the knife, place on the phone, place the eggs and stuff like that. She's a sweet, and that's what babies do.
Okay. Where's your 1 cup measuring cup? Did it go in the sink?
Yeah.
Or is it in there? Oh, okay. In there.
My 1
We
cup.
need 2 cups.
Okay, my 1 cup. What?
You gonna do it? Well, you gotta scoop some more in. Not out. Try to keep it over the bowl.
This flat.
There you go. That'll do. You gonna put it in the mixing bowl?
I'm have to scrape it out. Just put it down.
Yeah, I can.
Put it down. Yeah.
Makes it a little easier. Go in the back corner.
I kind of can do this.
There you go.
Mommy,
I know. We're getting it nice and full, and now you can do that. Sure.
This what Daddy did.
Oh, you made a hole. It's not flat like a knife, so it's a little harder. You gotta kind of take the back of it and just go like that. And then dump it in. How about over there? Okay. You all go?
Yeah.
All right. And grab a teaspoon.
This one.
That's a tablespoon. We need this one.
Tablespoon.
Baking soda. We need 1 scoop out of there. You can get it. I know it's starting to get empty, huh?
It kind of can go here.
Okay, nice. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
So 1 scoop of this. 1 scoop. This much.
Yep. Oh, now it's a little empty.
Like a whole scoop?
Yeah. There you go. Put that in the mixing bowl.
Put some on my hand.
Very nice. Okay, should we mix it again?
Yeah. Can I turn on?
Sure. It's over there.
Is that
That's perfect. We need some scissors.
but the juice will come out onto the cow.
Should I squeeze some of the juice out?
Yeah. You should squeeze some of the juice out.
Into there?
There's a little juice too.
And mix it up.
And what left? A smash smash. Smash. Why do you decide to mix it?
It works good. Is it working good?
No, you can use a whisk to stir it.
I could, but the zucchini would get all stuck in the whisk. Okay, easier. Pour it in. You know what else we gotta add?
What else?
Some vanilla.
No, forget.
Chocolate chips?
Chocolate chips too.
Yeah, we'll do those too. First we gotta mix this up though. I need your 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Yeah, pull it over the side.
Like this much?
Yep. There you go. Dump it.
Right on top of the zucchini.
Thank you.
To do it more.
And turn it on. There are lots. Alright, you want to pour it into here? Is that extra for you?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna eat it? Mm-hmm. Alright, pour the chocolate chips in. Alright, now you need a few to eat. There we go.
Take one more.
Good stuff.
Cinnamon!
We should add some cinnamon too?
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
You can probably do it in long ways and then cut this in half. I mean, really nice. You gonna do your scissors? Okay. You cut it right here. Open it up wide. Go.
Do you do it, Mommy?
You can keep going. You're doing a very good job. Just like 2 more snips left.
It's actually 3 more.
You think it'll take 3? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. You took 4. There we go.